to always look expensive and classy every day. Hi ladies, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nancy. Today ladies, we are diving into the world of timeless elegance and discovering the secret of looking classy and expensive every day. From small detail to overall presentation. 7 essential tips that will elevate your style game. Number 1, stay hydrated. Ladies, drinking adequate amount of water throughout the day. Keep your skin hydrated and looking its best. A well-hydrated skin elude a youthful and vibrant appearance that adds to your overall classy and expensive look. It also helps you to maintain a radiance and glowing complexion. Number 2, practice good posture. Ladies, practice good posture and carry yourself with confidence. Helps makes you look classy and expensive, because ladies, looking classy and expensive, it's about embracing a refined and well put together style. Looking expensive or looking classy cannot be achieved when you have a bad posture, because ladies, a bad posture makes you look like you lack confidence. When you walk into a room or while you're sitting down, you hunch your back or you sit in a way that you are uninterested, or you worried about something, or you are not comfortable, it immediately make you look unattractive, unexpensive, and not classy, my ladies. I have a detailed video on posture, how to correct your posture. I will leave it in the pinned comment or up here, my ladies. Number 3, ironing. Ladies, one of the key factors to look expensive and classy is a well-ironed clothes. And looking expensive is presenting a wrinkle-free outfit. Ladies, take time to iron your garments, ensuring that they are crispy and well pressed. Pay more attention to the collar, the cuffs, and seam for a polished appearance, my ladies. Ladies, always remember, a well-ironed outfit always leave a lasting impression of you. Ladies, if you're having trouble with ironing, just like myself, I use steamer. Steamer is a lifesaver when it comes to ironing, because if you're like me that don't enjoy ironing, I would suggest you go for a steamer, because ladies, steamer is easy to use and it still gives you same results. If you do not have time for ironing, like sometimes what I do, some of my clothes that I see that I can't get the desired ironing from doing it myself, I give it out to a dry cleaner after washing. I ask them to iron it for me, so it's already ready in the closet. So when you want to go out, it's easy to just pull out the outfit and go out, and you are good for the day. No worries about ironing. But if you could do it, it's also good. I iron some of, like this one I'm wearing today, I ironed it myself. Yeah. Okay, so ladies, for a sleek looking outfit, you need a steamer or an iron. And you can also travel with a steamer because it's handy. Number 4, trim excess thread. Ladies, it is the little things that makes a big difference. Ladies, check your clothing for any loose thread or strained fabric. Grab a scissors and carefully trim the excess thread away. This simple step instantly enhances your overall neatness and attention to details of your outfit, my ladies. Now, I know some people will say you only have excess thread when you buy from fast fashion, cheap brand. That is not true, my ladies. I can tell you it's not only cheap item or fast fashion shop. They produce mass production and they don't have time to cut out the excess thread, they just deliver like that. No, that's not true. Double check whatever you buy, especially when you buy it for the first time. Double check, and if there's threading, does not mean it's not a luxury brand. All you need to do is to cut out the thread so you can look refined, with make you look classy and expensive when you step out of your home, my ladies. Number 5, upgrade with new buttons. Ladies, Transforming the look of a garment can be easy as changing the buttons. There are some outfits I've purchased in the past. I liked it, but I do not like the buttons. What I do, I purchase those clothes and then buy a button to replace it with standard button with more sophisticated option. Ladies, opt for button made of metal or natural material such as mother of pearls. This quick and affordable trick add an instant elegant touch to any garment because ladies, a plastic button make the outfit look cheap and not elegant, my ladies. And just in case you are wondering where to find buttons, you can find them from Amazon. Number 6, prioritize personal hygiene. Ladies, classy and expensive look go hand in hand with excellent personal hygiene. Ladies, make sure you shower at least once in a day, maintain clean and trimmed nails, and keep your hair well washed, looking fresh. Also, my ladies, pay attention to your oral hygiene. I have a detailed video regarding oral hygiene in this channel. I will leave that in the big comment so you can check it. How to maintain a fresh, lasting breath, my ladies. A well-groomed appearance is a key component of an elevated style, my ladies. Number 7, choose a signature scent. Ladies, a signature scent complements your style and wear it sparingly, my ladies. If you are allergic to perfume, body spray, then invest in a nice scented shower gel to keep you smelling fresh all day. Ladies, these small details will add up to create overall elevated style and elegance throughout the day, my ladies. Yes, we are going to end this video. Following all these simple but yet effective tips can effortlessly achieve a classy and expensive look every day, my ladies. Now ladies, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe for more tips because every week I make video on elegance, inspiration, etiquette videos, my ladies. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next one. Be elegant, my ladies.